Hello friend.
Hi brother.
Do you remember me?
Yes, I remembered you.
Then tell me my name.
I forget your name.
But Srijan, I did not forget your name.
I am very sorry.
Never mind Srijan, it happens to everyone.
Please you remind your name.
I am Himesh.
Oh, I remember one day I have hide your tiffin box.
Yes, I cannot forget that day. I was searching all over the place for my tiffin during the tiffin break.
Finally, you got your tiffin box at class teacher's desk.
Later you told me that you kept it there.
You beat me with a ruler. It gets hurt. Did you forget that?
No, I remember that. I was hungry, so that I became furious and I hurt you.
That time you have hurt at my right shoulder. It hurts very much. For that I was absent next day.
Could you please forgive me for what I did?
I apologize to you. It was my mistake.